Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your vanishing mode on Instagram messaging option. Yeah, there is two ways how you can turn off your vanishing mode option. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Instagram ID. Now go to your messaging option on top of right and select the you can see the circle on this message option. That means this the vanishing mode is on this chat, so just click here. Oops. Now the first way is to click the profile on top and select the privacy and safety and just turn off this vanishing mode here, and your vanishing mode will be turned off. Now I'm going to show you another option. Just go back. Another option is to swipe up and hold like this. Swipe up and hold until the vanishing mode is turned off, and yes, the vanishing mode is now turned off. And this is the two-way how you can turn off the vanishing mode. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on another video.